Hi guys, so today we're completing our chakra blanket by adding those cute little chakras to each section of our blanket. Each chakra has a symbol and a color associated with it. We've added a color and now it's time for the symbol. Now these symbols are pretty much universal, but I've made my own version of them. I was actually on an airplane when I decided to do it. You know, everyone around me was sleeping and I had a couple of hours to burn, and maybe that's why there isn't a single straight geometrical line in them. You know, they are wavy and flowy and I love them. Now, if I were to cut them by hand, it would be a big mess and it would take me a lot of time. So I am bringing my pink silhouette cameo to help me out. And if you've never heard about silhouette cameo, I have to say it truly changed the way I do things. So that's what I use to cut all my chakras. You know, all I need is to fuse some interfacing with my fabric to give it the right consistency. Okay, now I place the fabric on the mat and fit it to the silhouette, and here we go. Now all there's left to do is to remove the excess fabric. Now, if this was a brand new mat and blade, I wouldn't need to release some of these bits, but this blade and mat have seen some action. You know, they are nearing the replacement stage, so they need a little bit of help, and I'm happy to provide it. Aren't these chakras gorgeous? I am very proud of them, I have to say. Next step is to iron them onto the blanket like so. Okay, now we sew over them to get them nice and stuck to this blanket. And yes, I could stitch them by hand, you know, no problem, but by sewing them with machine, I'm leaving the design on the back. I'll show you how it looks in a bit. It makes it that more special. Let's do this. And here we go, our chakra blanket is done and I could not be happier. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you soon. Bye bye!